Bad Man Forward was supposed to be a single. So then how did the next set of the two cartels and stuff like now get on the rhythm?
So what happened was after the rhythm took off and everything, the bro that I made it on his computer, you know what I mean? He came to me and he was like, "Yo, would I mind if he recorded?" He got opportunity to pay a teacher their song for one song. You know, if I would be down to or if I would have a problem with him doing that. I was like, if that's what you want to do, bro, like I made it on your computer, you know what I mean, and certain things like that. All right, cool, whatever. You know what I mean? And he went and when he went to go for his teacher was doing the pharmacy song for him. And then teacher was like, no, that already man. After the two songs. And then teacher ended up doing the 90s anthem with Tech Nine assisting and a few other people that was there after I wasn't there that night. You know what I mean? But Tech Nine and a few other dog them was there, and they assisted with lyrics and as far as telling Kartel about the areas and certain things, and Kartel did a magnificent job at putting together that song the way he did. Like, if you're from New York City, you would understand what that song means. You know what I mean? It's like when Kartel called Edmonton and certain areas, when you hear them man, they say them thing that you know, say, you know what I mean? I say, I Canada, you don't know, say, a certain bad man area, they put them place there. If you know, you know. You know what I say? Mm-hmm. So like the way how Kartel put that song together and the areas and the names and the people that he called and the way how he did it, and like, it was just superb. Like, I mean, and that's one thing that I'm happy about is that I got a chance to like get a few big teacher records, big Kartel records, you know what I mean, do my production. You know what I mean? I'm very happy of that.
Don't worry, we're gonna get into those ones in a while.
This podcast is brought to you by www.twolinesmusica.com.